What's good, ladies and gents? There is some breaking news around Lunar Classic today. I need to share it with you because there is an arrest warrant that's been issued for Terraform Labs co-founder Kwon. So we're going to look at Terra Lunar Classic today. Bit of a price prediction. Unfortunately, there's so much fear and FUD now associated with Terra Lunar Classic. We're seeing a lot of the noobs and the retail investors get shaken out of their position. And here it is, guys. So we can see the market cap is now 1.8 billion. About $400 million has been shaven off of the market capital for Lunar Classic at the moment. Rank 32. So we were ranked 29 a few days ago. We've lost a few positions there, unfortunately. And things are starting to look rather bearish for Lunar Classic. So the bulls have certainly lost a bit of control. We are down 18% on that 24-hour time frame, guys. So here we see from Classy Crypto, the correction you're seeing on Lunar Classic right now is more than likely people around Kwon panicking and selling all of their old assets. It's just like when you see these 30% crypto crashes, at the start of a crypto bull run, people start selling their positions. What happens in the next week? It goes up by another 1, 2, 3x. You start face palming, So kind of crazy stuff right now. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe. Come say hello in the Discord channel. It's all down below for you. Completely free content. Come say hi. Don't be shy. And yeah, I think, going back to Lunar Classic, it's important to remember people really do react to their emotions. So we're seeing a big sell-off right now, but I don't think it's going to be a long-term sort of continuation. I think we will see and eventually a bullish reversal for Lunar Classic. Kwon made the Ponzi, but some VCs that bailed out UST's first DPEG enabled it. Is it a fraud or sheer stupidity? Something that has been on my mind for some time. So who does belong in jail? At least I think some of the guilt should be shared. Maybe so. I think anyone associated or anyone that knew about what was happening behind the scenes, spinning the smaller cogs behind Terraform Labs, effectively, you participated, you helped them get away with it. And I think, these guys just deserve to get behind bars. Why should they get away with it? Oh, we're going to make this hard fork, Lunar Classic. We're going to give something back to the community that costs us basically nothing to do, just so it looks like they're doing something good for the community. No, people lost their life savings. This was planned, premeditated fraud, guys. This is crazy, and I'm so happy to see this guy go behind bars, and I really, really think that's exactly where he belongs, because it's just people like this in the world think they can get away with anything. Anyway, watch a guru. Breaking: South Korea issues arrest warrant for Lunar founder Kwon. That's what we want to see, ladies and gents. Please go and hunt him down as ethically as possible, of course. So here it is. CoinDesk: South Korean court issues arrest warrant against Terra co-founder Kwon. The warrant also includes 5 others, according to a report. So the warrant includes 5 additional persons. It doesn't actually state here who it is, citing a text message from the prosecutor's office. They are charged with violating the Capital Markets Act, the report said. The warrant comes 4 months after the collapse of the 40 billion Terra ecosystem and its algorithmic stablecoin UST, which was the first domino to fall in this year's crypto winter, which happened in May, guys. So if you think about it, it didn't just affect Terra Luna, it actually had a deleterious effect on the cryptocurrency or the valuation of so many other cryptos amongst the whole blockchain market. So in my opinion, Terra Luna crash in May was a massive bear market catalyst, and he's not only affected the holders of Lunar Classic or Terra Luna, it's actually every single participant of the blockchain markets, because everyone's holdings has been wiped away because of this guy. Basically, that's the way I see it anyway. So, if you think about it, if it didn't happen, we wouldn't have saw that massive washout. Maybe Bitcoin wouldn't have even hit the 200-week moving average so soon, right? It was probably inevitable, but at least this was a black swan event that really sped up the process, so to speak. So here we are on the Lunar Classic charts, guys. We can see 0.00059 still holds as, pardon me, a really key resistance range. We actually lost that 20-day moving average yesterday. We came down to 0.00025, and we have had a nice small bounce since. So we are now up about 15% on the daily time frame, which is a pretty good bounce. And if we look at the 4-hour time frame, you didn't even become oversold. So interesting to see this. And we are talking about this 20-day moving average as being effectively like our bull market or bear market support band. So we are getting rejected on the 20-day moving average. We get rejected over here. Could be the inception of a short-term down trend here. On the Bollinger Bands, we can see We are sitting right at the bottom of the Bollinger Band here. I'd like to see us retest that 20-day moving average soon in order to see continuation to the upside. There is a fair amount of resistance, however, around about this 0.00033 price level. So I really want to see a potential reversal here for Lunar Classic. I don't actually know what's obviously going to happen for sure. I don't have a crystal ball. What we do know is we are in a downtrend. We're still putting through the lower highs, and until we retest this diagonal resistance, there's really no massive hope of getting back through. You could even argue that this is actually now one kind of like giant falling wedge of some sort. As you see, I'm just going to connect up these dots and sort of tell my own story. You could also argue this is one giant falling wedge as well on this particular time frame. We had a falling wedge here. Did really well. The reversal was exponential. We pumped massively. Look at this, a 72% increase. So let's see what happens. I do see this now in a typically bullish pattern, which is obviously a falling wedge or a descending wedge. I do think we might get a reversal here at some point. Of course, if we do actually print some more candles, I'm also seeing the potential of a double bottom reversal within or residing within this falling wedge, which could also be extremely bullish, but we do need to break through. You can see we hit oversold on the RSI over here as well, which is another important thing to consider. As for the volume, it is just slowly dropping off and not in our favor. But I do think the lower the price comes, the more people will dollar cost average into Lunar Classic. So as of the Fibonacci retracement, we just corrected below the 0.618 Fibonacci level. I do still think it is possible, by the way, guys, to see a bullish reversal here and even retest those 0.00059 price levels. So let me just load the chart back up. And remember, September is particularly notorious for being absolutely shite for all crypto. It's never usually good. I think like 7 out of 10 Septembers are typically really bad for the performance of Bitcoin. However, you got October, November, December that perform really well as a trilogy. So look forward to that and just try and view September as a dollar cost averaging or reaccumulation month, okay? Not financial advice, guys, but that's the way I try to view September. So I'm waiting for a potential breakout here at the 0.0003 mark, but ideally I do want to see another retest of support at the 0.00025 marks. I think that would make a great entry to dollar cost average some more Lunar Classic over here. If we can get a breakout through the previous swing high, the first target for me will be the 0.00068 level. I think that's quite a realistic target here for Terra Lunar Classic. Anyways, that's about a wrap really for Terra Lunar Classic. The main chart pattern that we're seeing on the 4-hour time frame here is the falling wedge. You can see we're slipping away from that 20-day moving average at the moment, guys. As for the crypto fear and greed, we're sitting at 27 at the moment. So fear is still lingering in the market. Will we go back to neutral soon? I think we will, but it's probably going to be in October or November. As for the crypto bubbles, we can see a real result of firstly the CPI report being quite bearish, and also, you know, the Kwon arresting. You can see quite a lot of red in the market. We've only got Celsius and Ravencoin pretty much in the spotlight today. So that's about a wrap with this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, do slap that subscribe button. It really helps push me through that YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, guys, if you get anyone messaging you, it is not me. There are many impersonators trying to scam you, so please be careful. I will never message you first, okay? I'm not here to take your money. I'm here to help you and enhance your crypto journey through the bear markets. Anyway, thanks so much. Stay crypto safe and bye for now.